Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a quick little review recommendation of a product that I've tried. I like is the Active Washing Machine Cleaner. So this cleans, deodorizes, refreshes, protects. I used to be, when I was younger, would think, well, why would you need to clean a washing machine? It's a washing machine. You know, like a lot of people probably think. And it gets stuff built up in there that just you want it clean. So it's pretty easy to use. You just take one out, just take one of these little tablets out. I like their products because they always send a little thank you thing. They take the time, even if they're mass printed, I don't care. They put it in there to show that it's different. So it comes in these little packets. So that says that this is a year's supply. You know, you can get it on Amazon. And just take one of these out. And they say not to put it in the space up there, but to drop it down in the tub. And then you just close it down, turn it on. And it says just to put it on the normal on hot water. It's got hot water, so let's see here. Let's see, it's hot. Let's turn that up there and just let it go at it. And that's it. So again, it is the Active Washing Machine Cleaner. Highly suggest you guys get you some. Get your washing machine clean like I do. Have a great day and thank you for watching. Thank you.